Alright guys, welcome back. It's gonna be noisy, but here is what I was working on yesterday. Basically, when I got to this pipe, I kicked it down and then took it to the wall, kicked it back up, and that's the last box here for the outside light. So it kind of has a little corner around here, kicks out, and then from there I took a pipe straight up, which I forgot to strap, and then just went up with a 90 and then went over to a box right there, and then from there I'm starting to run to the wall. That pipe is going to go down the wall, and I forget where it goes exactly. I think it's just going to turn and strap on the wall, and then we were going to leave it a couple feet short of the end, just because I think they have to build this wall out. I think they have to build that wall out right there or something. It's going to be a little room, and I think it's for an exit sign or something, so it's going to bring emergency power down, constant power. So I was just going to bring that down the wall eventually, so I could probably work on that maybe tomorrow or something, I don't know. Same thing over there. The kick out, I don't think I worked on that yesterday. I think I just ran a little bit of that pipe. So like this pipe right here, I did the same thing on that side over here yesterday, maybe. But today, what we worked on was hanging these lights. So as you can see, there's these lights right here. So this is what I did all day. This entire row right here. Those are skylights right there, but the lights are on the right side, right next to the pipe. So you can see this entire row of lights right here, all the way down to the very end. And the last one I couldn't reach because I tore the floor out. And then these last two rows right here, this row right there and this row right here, we can't do yet because the roof isn't sealed in yet with the waterproofing, so we stopped right there. But for the most part, we basically did the entire building, me and my coworkers. So I did that row. I worked a little bit on this row right here, and then everyone else kind of picked their own row and just went for it. So there's kind of like 8 rows. So I did that 1, 2. So anyways, there's 7 other rows. I don't know if you can see all of them, but there's a ton of them. I think they said there's like 82 lights or something. There's got to be more than that though, but there's a whole bunch. So I did that whole row of lights, and then the other part of the day I was basically unboxing the lights off the pallets and then getting them ready to hang, which wasn't much. So anyways, that's basically what I worked on today, just hanging lights. Super easy, super fun. So they're hanging on these little cable cords, which I went around and screwed up the eye lags, and then my other coworker went around and put in the wires, and then basically the lights just hang on this little thing called what they call them was monkey arms. So it's basically like a little V shape with the hooks at the end, and it just hooks onto the light, and then you just tie that around the wire, the little circular wire up there. It's a little loop, so you just hook it on. You just put the wire. I can't really show you, but basically just have the wire, and then you put the monkey hanger on it, and then hook it on through the light. So it's super easy, super nice. So yeah, I didn't get a chance to. I started to fix this pipe from yesterday. Basically, it's fixed. I just have to restrap it down and tighten it back up. Yep. So it's a super good day. Not gonna do 10 hours today. Just doing 8 hours. They gave me the choice, and I was like, I'm just gonna go home. So, anyways, so I'm gonna go head home now, and then got some plans later, still at 7. So I will catch you guys later. Hope you enjoyed. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you later. Oh, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helped me out. I'm really trying to get to the 1,000 subscribers. You guys are doing awesome, and thanks to all the new subscribers. I appreciate it, and hopefully you guys stay and be engaged in the comments and stuff like that so I can get to know you guys. That's all I got to say, and the giveaways are coming up at 1,000 subscribers. I got 3 lined up, so look forward to that, and I'll see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day.